It's Kids News Break. This week we were skimming through the news like usual, and we came across a story that we couldn't believe. Someone's gonna swim across the Pacific Ocean. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell too so you don't miss a video. So this guy's name is Benoit Lecomte from France. He is 51 if you can believe it. And check this out. He is swimming 8 hours each day from Japan all the way to California in the United States. It's a 9,000 kilometer swim and it'll take about 6 months to complete. He's gonna be the first person to swim across the Pacific Ocean. During the swim, Benoit is gonna wear some pretty cool technology. He will have a radiation detector to measure the radiation in the water from the Fukushima reactor leak in Japan. He is going to have his progress tracked by GPS, and he'll be swimming through the migration path of the great white shark. I hope the shark propellant bracelet that he's wearing works. Will I get limbered up? Here's Nellie with the weather. It's a beautiful day for a swim. Thank you, Nellie. Along the way, they're going to be taking 1,000 water samples to test for very small plant or animal life. Here's where we get serious, and one of the real reasons we want to talk about this. The ocean is a very beautiful place, but people have been dumping garbage in it for a long time. If you need proof, about halfway through the swim, Benoit will be swimming through the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. That is a floating mass of plastics. That's like plastic bags, straws, styrofoam, fishing nets, and a whole bunch of other stuff. This mass is 1.6 million square kilometers. That is unbelievable! If you look at a map of Canada, that is the size of Ontario and Quebec put together. As surprising as that is, there are some small things you can do to help. When you get a drink, do you really need a straw? Make sure you put the recyclable garbage in the right recycle bin and check to see if they're somewhat clean before they go in the bin. Bring a reusable shopping bag so you don't use plastic ones. We will put a link to a couple helpful videos in the description down below. Our question today is, what have you done or what do you plan to do to reduce your use of plastics? Let us know in the comments down below. To watch this video in French, click here. To learn something a little different, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.